Step into the world of immersive gaming with the Xbox One S 2 TB limited edition console, Gears of War 4 bundle. This bundle not only offers a sleek, custom-designed console, but also includes a host of exclusive content that enhances your gaming experience. With a 2 TB storage capacity, you'll have ample space for all your favorite games. The Crimson Omen controller provides precise control. Whether you're in the heat of battle or exploring vast landscapes, one of the standout features is the ability to play over 100 console-exclusive titles and a growing library of Xbox 360 games. The console's 4K Blu-ray capability ensures that you can enjoy your favorite movies in stunning clarity on your 4K TV, while streaming 4K content from Netflix and Amazon Video brings entertainment to a new level. HDR technology enhances the visual experience by delivering richer colors and more luminous contrasts, making games and videos come alive with detail. The included full game download of Gears of War 4 Ultimate Edition, along with early access and exclusive in-game items, adds tremendous value. Additionally, the Season Pass and Gear Packs offer even more content to explore. As an Xbox Play Anywhere title, you can seamlessly switch between gaming on your console and Windows 10 PC without additional cost, extending your gaming session wherever you go. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to the world of Xbox, the Xbox One S 2 TB limited edition console, Gears of War 4 bundle promises to deliver the ultimate gaming experience with its powerful features, exclusive content, and stunning design.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.